Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. Have you ever had this happen? You are so excited to cut open an avocado. The skin looks flawless, green and fresh. But the moment you slice it open, the inside is brown, mushy, bitter and completely inedible. Instantly your mood crashes and it feels like you just threw money straight into the trash. The truth is you are not alone. So many people fall into this trap when buying avocados. But the good news, there are a few simple tricks you can use to never get fooled again. Stick with me because once you learn these tips, you will be able to pick the perfect avocado every single time. Tip number 1. Look at the skin color and texture. As avocados ripen, their skin changes from bright green to a darker green or nearly black. But here's the key, the color should be even all around. If one side is dark and the other is still bright green, that usually means it didn't ripen evenly and inside you will likely find parts that are already spoiled. Tip number 2. The gentle squeeze test. Use your fingertips to press the skin lightly. If it feels rock hard, it's not ready. If it has a gentle give but doesn't sink in, that's the sweet spot. It's perfectly right. But if it feels too soft, mushy or collapses when you press, chances are the inside is already turning brown. Tip number 3. Check the stem. This is a secret many experts swear by. Just flick off the little stem at the top. If the spot underneath is green, congratulations, it's fresh and perfect inside. But if it's brown or black, that's a red flag. The inside is probably spoiled already. Tip number 4. Feel the weight. Pick up 2 avocados of the same size. The heavier one is usually fresher and has more moisture. If it feels too light, it may already be drying out and won't taste as good. By following these simple tricks, you will cut down your chances of ever wasting money on a rotten avocado again. Next time you are at the supermarket, try them out. You will be amazed at how much easier it becomes to choose the perfect one. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends and family so they don't waste money again. And don't forget to subscribe. I will keep bringing you more smart, simple and money-saving tips.